Hello MO-ARK Key Clubbers. This video will show you how to make a fleece blanket for Project Linus. The first step is to gather your supplies. You will need a piece of fleece, a pair of scissors for each person in the group, a seam ripper, a roll of tape, a ruler, and a 4-inch square pattern. Next, lay out your fleece on a table or on the floor. Use the ruler to measure 4 inches from each edge. Place a strip of tape 4 inches from the edge so that the back edge of the tape is at 4 inches. Do this on all 4 sides. Then, using a pattern, cut a 4-inch square out of each corner of your fleece fabric. Next, you will cut the fringe. Using your ruler as a guide, cut 1-inch strips all the way to your 4-inch tape line around the entire blanket. Next, you will use a seam ripper to make a tiny slit at the top of each piece of fringe as shown in the picture. Next, you will loop the fringe. Feed the end of the fringe through the back side of the slit that you just cut and pull it through to create a neat, secure fringed edge. Finally, fold the completed blanket into fourths and place in the designated area. Thank you for your good work for Project Linus.